Hello friends, welcome back to AR Facts Club. This is Anirudh Ramchandar. In this dedicated part 2, let's have a look over complete list of government and private jobs in agriculture sector and most awaiting list of theoretical and objective books for the JRF aspirants. If you haven't met with, go through our part 1 video for over 100 plus tremendous career options in the field of agriculture which are explained in detailed manner. Dear friends, I have a question for you. And what is our real competition? Yeah, our competition isn't other people. It's our procrastination, our ego, the knowledge we neglect, the negative behavior we are nurturing, and lack of creativity. So let's have a deal. If you like our content, try to balance the views and subscribers in our channel. It's absolutely cost-free process to gain a healthy knowledge around the worldwide by just a one click. Let's get into our video. Now we initiate with the private job list and move to the government jobs. See, these are all of national-wide jobs which I am saying you. IFFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperatives. CRIBCO, Krishak Bharati Cooperatives. It is a fertilizer field, jobs like field representatives offered here. Excel Crop Care Limited, Cadbury Companies, Sharda Company Limited, Mahindra Agriculture, Insecticides India Limited, Monsanto India Limited. This is the company which I mentioned you in the last video with around 1 crore package. Quality control officers in many seed companies, irrigation companies. Some of the seed companies include Nirmal Seed Corporation, Ankur Seeds, National Seeds Company, Kaveri Seeds, and FCI, Food Corporation of India. NAFED, it's a Farmers Corporation, National Agriculture Corporation and Marketing Federation of India. We also have jobs in insurance sectors, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Several companies need sales managers like you and agricultural consultants in abroad are damn demandful. Huge industries, ONGC, oil and natural gas corporations, which are worthfully huge demandful daily. Agricultural engineers. In Amazons we have jobs such as business development manager in agriculture, executive agronomists in many companies. Guys, these are intensively used in the fields of agriculture. Have you heard about National Fertilizers Limited, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited? See, some examples of fertilizer companies are Nagarjuna Fertilizers Private Limited, National Fertilizers and Chemicals Private Limited, Chambal Fertilizers, Madras Fertilizer Private Limited, and pesticides companies includes Bharatiya Rasyam Limited, Emco Private Limited, Motilal Pest Limited. We have some boards here, Venco Poultries, rubber boards, silk boards, ficus boards, tobacco boards. Friends, you know what? You forgot something. Yes, it's entrepreneuring. With the gathering of few economic powers, we can provide job sectors in ginning mills, several industries to major households. Yeah, now let's shift to the everlasting government jobs. NABARD, which are banks, KVK Krishi Vignana Kendra, we have many call centers in it. Atma, we have heard with AOs and AEOs, executive agronomists, farm manager, forest range officers. Governmental insurance companies holds New India Insurance, United India Insurance, Guile Industry, National Gas Processing and Distribution Companies. Governmental boards in airports, agroforestry, biodiversity departments, Rashtrapati Bhavan horticulture managers. Every time ICAR supplies career employment jobs. UPSC, IBPS, SSC recruitments are calendar dated every year. Thus, as we know, government jobs stands a bit higher levels in priorities and packages. Along with the part 1 and part 2 video, if you need the files, just meet me on my Instagram. Link will be in the description and I will give you the files. Here comes the second part of our video. Let's quickly recover some of the best JRF departments and important books even for objectives. There are over 8 departments, namely agronomy, horticulture, plant sciences, social sciences, entomology, plant biotechnology, soil sciences and general agriculture. In agronomy, principles of agronomy, S.R. Reddy, Reddy and Reddy, textbook of field crops production by Rajendra Prasad, weed science, T.K. Das, weed management, principles and practices by O.P. Gupta, irrigation agronomy by S.R. Reddy, introductory to soil science, D.K. Das, agronomy treatise, P.D. Chowdhury. Objectives for agronomy are also mentioned clearly.
For horticulture, introductory to horticulture N. Kumar, handbook of horticulture by any of the publications, textbook of vegetables, fruits by Tamburaj and Ranjit Singh respectively. Introduction to spices, plantation and medicinal plants and aromatic plants by N. Kumar. Floriculture at glance, Deshraj. Instant horticulture by S.N. Gupta. and some of the objective books are mentioned here.
Check out the books based on department-wise manner and most importantly the publishers which are mentioned there. For entomology department, the books includes Agricultural Entomology, Outline of Entomology, An Introduction to Insect, Handbook of Entomology, Applied Entomology for JRF, SRF and ARS, Objective Entomology, and remaining such objective books are mentioned there. Friends, have you noticed the majority of the objective books are by S.R. Kantwa?
And plant biotechnology includes genetics, biotechnology expand horizon by B.D. Singh, biochemistry Lehinger, physiology, plant physiology and concept of molecular marker, a student approach by Neeraj Kumar.
Social sciences includes extension education, extension communication and management, rural sociology, agriculture economics by Subba Reddy, one of the important books, modern economic theory, farm management and production economics, a textbook of agricultural statistics, and some objective books by S.R. Kantwa.
In the soil science department, soil science, an introduction, introductory soil science, textbook of soil science, textbook of soil physics, pedology, principle of soil chemistry, and objective books which again concludes by S.R. Kantwa.
General Agriculture Department has Fundamental of Agriculture, a competitive book of agriculture by Arun Katyayan and Neemraj Sundar respectively. Agriculture at Glance by R.K. Sharma, General Form of Agriculture for ICAR exams, Current Affairs and General Agriculture by R.S. Maitri, and for Objective Agriculture here comes again by S.R. Katwa.
Next department is plant science. This is an advantageous to girls and even boys too, because despite of the heavy competition in all the departments, it holds major around 4 to 5 departments like genetics, seed technology, pathology, microbiology and crop physiology. It saves our time rather sitting aside with just one department. Coming to the books, B.D. Singh acts as a hero here. Genetics, Plant Breeding by B.D. Singh, Plant Pathology by R.S. Singh, Principle of Seed Technology by Agarwal, Microbiology, Tauro and Kapoor. Objective Genetics includes B.D. Singh and Mangan Modi. So friends, hope you are now flexible with the provoking list and knowledge we have admired you. Still waiting for this list to be in your pocket? Just text me on my Instagram, I will give you. Dear friends, as we deal before, try to balance our views and subscribers. Thank you friends, signing off, take care, bye bye.